Alam nyo was very successful, and it featured kids. At because of that, nagtuloy-tuloy na yun. And now, years later, eto kung nire-revisit natin itong ganitong klase ng palabasin, I believe that sa loob ng 4 years ay mas natutunan pa namin kung paano mas pagbutihin, pagandahin, at gawing masaya ang ganitong programa. Ang ABS-CBN po ay committed, buo po ang loob at buo ang tiwala ng ABS-CBN na ang gustong panoorin sa umaga ng mga tao ay yung feel-good, good vibes na show na kinapupulutan ng values, ng aral para sa pamilya, para sa mga bata. Kaya po, dahil doon, after Be My Lady, ito naman po ang kasunod. And we're so excited to present this, and we have 2 new directors who we are launching for the first time sa sarili nilang nag-direct na sila before, but first time nilang sarili nilang show. At proud to Miguel Carlo and Myla for doing a good job. And I have with me, of course, the legendary creative manager, Melda Rosario.
Legendary direct.
Yes, no? My God, from Be Careful With My Heart, lalayo ka pa to Be My Lady to this. So we have a very competent team. We have Belle, our head writer, and our
production manager, si Mamu.
We have, where's Mamu? Mamu is there, our production manager, our executive producer, EJ, where are you? And the rest of our hard-working team. Thank you sa inyo lahat, Art Prom, lahat na. So, yun lang, at maraming salamat. Sana samahan nyo kami sa programa nito. Honestly, hindi ko itatago. This is not really going to be a very, very long show because I have to be honest in saying that we're managing the issue with the kids. The kids can only work for 4 hours a day, and yes, even if you ask them, they will tell you that we've been following that policy, that directive, and because of that, it's going to be very difficult to have a very, very long show with the kids as leading. Hindi ba, alam ko naman sasabihin nyo, ba't sa ganito, sa ganyan? Hindi kasi nila bida yung bata. Dito kasi ang bida, yung mga bata surrounded by everyone. But you see, with God's grace and with everybody's help, so far, namamanage naman namin. Pero yun lang, I just wanted to be honest in saying that we'll do the best we can, but we're looking at the season. But to have 1 season nowadays on television, that's more than enough, and we're already very grateful for that. So again, thank you very much to our friends from the press. Back to you.